Etiefo memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so breaking news be abeka yensa na the yatse and say the chief of and Rebecca said the former chief of defense staff with Frim 37 military hospital. Now answer you better to subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and that screen so see we understand latest news be about one sa Rebecca. Quickly young consem nimu send me din kan no a former chief of defense staff you trying to a friend of CDS your friend of Vice Admiral Matthew Kwashi with him story no anopa we ya na yete 37 military hospital. Now as to the year wo ye no no one can actually tell me sure that any the year wo free mu but the yat say and say last year and na year e free mu bra na year e free mu no wono so ebe yare ya yede no ekoto 37 military hospital a na woje ayaresa wo ho na the yat say and say anopa we are with him. You know, our condolences to the family. Now, because he was a former chief of this defense staff, now it tells you, say, I don't know whether he'll actually be given a state burial, but Wobia Sebe and also Abua Ghana, if it comes to the defense and those things, the security of Ghana, there, I think that he also deserves a state burial. He was 69 years. He was 69. I think na aka na kabeye 2 months now with this 69 so the anchor say he was 68 years and I just say we free no me born the biography na ye hu eto de bia na nkrofo bi say no ye nim but back at the background and baby wo mo eboa Ghana pa. First of all, let me explain the chief of defense staff position. Chief of defense staff eyobia ye kan asojafo ni na wono na wotia no ye can a soldier for and okay Ghana de ye can say obi a soldier eya na eye yen say nipa kono if eye army but Ghana has say ye can Ghana Armed Forces sa na say me can ye can Ghana Armed Forces wono no tiano. Ghana Armed Forces is actually made up of 3 groups. One, the army for na Ghana ye from soldiers no. The navy for na wo mo nam eposo ne nyama and Air Force for the name in Himono. Until these 3 people, Udiomu you're from the Ghana Armed Forces. Now, Chief of Defense Staff, Ayobia, what says Uncle for 3 winning na so. Not just say, yeah, can't a soldier for near Navy for any Air Force for penny pan or no, and now we penny some time ago in Ghana, exactly in 2013. And I just said President Mahama Edeno a year chief of a year defense staff. Our condolence with the family. Now we a year kesibia menim say oko military ni mo and now ko Ghana Armed Forces ni mo a yadia ubon say adie atomu nipa and omo nso wo mo beye ama na yefe a year ne de omo beye ama na yefe. Let me just give you some biography. Na yankasa yenhu embra wo be da na chief of defense staff no enyama bia wo ye ya wo de boa Ghana Armed Forces. Enyama bia wo no so ye ya sebe Ghana ya banbo ekoso. Because let me tell you this. They bia ye can say Ghana de ye ni war. Nanka Ghana nanka war esia. Nanka chief of defense staff na ye ni better than so say we be making decisions. Now say me sure say what to say USA any Iran womo kun gidigidi just because USA for ekokun Iran for womo penyi eba security a womo penyi no enti sa penyi na eye USA for ekokun no Iran for penyi a USA for kokun na ema Iran for nso ebe shitu planes a nkrofo over 150 ewu ye na nyama no sa penyi na USA for kokun no eye Ghana na nka penyi we embra na Mahama eteso no it tells you the position he has. He's a top like all Castro so now waka home. Send me din kan 2013 and President John Dramani Mahama what they know about the chief of defense staff. Na we obia woko school e won Fantepem inti botwefo ni na no part of alumni no ati ase we alumnus eno ena yebeka no nti no okonfante pem e wo Cape Coast ena hono wonya ade bi efe no General Certificate of Education ye trinity a efe no O level ena wasanso eco school e wo Ghana Secondary Technical School e wo takade because those days no wo school bi wi a wasanso be call another different and obesanso akọ different SHS bi na we konya A level nti wo bo O level e wo school bi wi a na wasanso akọ different school akọ A level to bo O level wo bo twa no eno call GSTS omo takade so mo ni say GSTS is one of the best schools in the western region nti wo ko honso ena tese wo ko bo A level e wo ho nti no in 1972 ena wo ra Ghana Military Academy ena tese wo trainee ya tese oye ne de no ekọ United Kingdom UK ye de no ko Naval College na tese Navy no ye ko train no emunsem e wo ho na wo complete ni training in 1974 ena wo return ye eba Ghana and he was commissioned as a sub-lieutenant into the executive branch of the Ghana Navy in 1974 now I'm just bringing you some of the achievements better say yes or no so ye bi aboa Ghana ye papa now he served in a lot of capacities now eba international peacekeeping say yanko boa na trese amanya sebe intokwesim yanko boa ne yemfa peace enko ho ene nyama wodi mu etintiman na trese akukuduro because peacekeeping there sebe pray asa uni akukuduro a wusro imagine say ebi akro bi say Rwanda ana Congo intokwesi wo ho ni yekum nkrofo na ya befa wo Ghana ni Ghana ukro a ntokwensi ye ya befa o say kosa akro ne so na koboa na trese yemfa asomdwe embra ho. It's a tough task because in Gofo Bebre ako peacekeeping and they didn't return. Madam Fobia minim no ne papa oko peacekeeping wambabium like okowu wo ho ye ko blast wo mokano. Inti no it tells you say obobra ye pan peacekeeping keka wo ko ekra no masa waye bi for humanity. Ati ase waye bi for humanity. Now he was also the director of operations for the director of operation and plans at the naval headquarters. Not just a Navy for headquarters, no. Now we will be a bad director of operations. And the plan say ye fa again say Navy yes ya wo no and na wo ye director e wo ho at the Eastern Naval Command. Na omo a wo munim na bia no de bia wo mo kan wo mo say na wo ye very easy going. Just say wo you be a and yes ebia won say me bobo ne achievement we hu say he was a very big man no bia said in previous wa be than CDS there wan ko wona ma because on ma bodyguard and a soldier for born ho ban ne fie ye born ho ban ne nyama but ne yes say wona ma we are very humble easy going won pija na beti what you say and na the yate kran say in his tenure no on a lot of reforms by now some of the things he actually did is say we construct accommodation facility to address the perennial accommodation challenges with the Ghana Navy. Ukwa Ghana Armed Forces more, I can tell you for a fact, say about 70% of resources are here pumping into Ghana Armed Forces no. Nini na eko the army. Ye from a soldier for no nini na ko mo ho. Air Force any sa Navy ne de na attention na nhyeda eni omo so saa. Uye obi a wakọ for a year auditioning and na wakọ say yemfa for Ghana Armed Forces mu panya obehu ne say even the number of people they pick ebia ya adwen say this year ye fa Armed Forces in 4,000 ami nkwa wo mo be fa nkrofo be ye 900 out of the 1,000 na ya ma Navy ebia 50 na ya ma Air Force for also 50 international say resources cry air bar it goes to the army inti na Ghana Army Ghana Armed Forces now we share the Navy branch now as soldiers and personalities and personnel are wo Navy mu no na accommodation problem home na te say baby a wo mo beda na home pa na o soldier ni nso de say been previous any kwan say what say nkrofo mu sa o sha a soldier for and a Navy for and those people no they don't easily stay among people. Into a buy no and I will see accommodation, will see facilities there G Navy for na 7 previous and resources ensheda enko mo ho no intino eno ene ade a one of the major reforms are ye can say and the Navy for done as a pan one also the ya what they eboa or more as we better than CDS no yes we be to me I say oh it's being biased, it's being way by the credit supposing say and the Stonebwoy Anasha Tawale ebe than the president of the nation and there where do you think say we more doing ebe what the more we more doing ebe what the entertainment side we more doing behind say the creative art no ye the sikabe gum not to say Ghana musicians and so etumpon just because they've also been musicians before inti oyobia na wo navy na wo nim de na navy fo no omu komu a wo mo bre inti wo beda ne CDS no obviously na e wo se wo boa wo no ankasa ne nkro for navy fo no that's not to say the other forces no wanye hweambo mo eno nso wo ye bibi eboa wo mo na another thing na ye crediting no for no say ye can the procurement of naval patrol vessels na to say a ship akesia and the Ghana Navy wo mo ditumi se eposo ema ye che nkrofo bone na nsan me the story bi bremo say ye kwachi nkrofo bi so mu kita wi boto bebre bi ye kwachi wo mo ewo tema na Navy fo a ekwachi san nkrofo no mu use Navy vessels a ema wo mu hu say oh ebia nipa we enampone so nipa we edi boni bi wo poso obi akwachi obi wo poso sa vessels ni na no wo boaye ema ye tobi ema Navy ende Ghana Navy for use sa vessels no ede chinkrofo a wo mudi bone ewo insio so no intino at least one year hwekra no wa ya ade wa boa Ghana montre mo adwen ewo comment box ni mo may his soul rest in peace.